depan color features of the 1969 Mustang Mach. Satu korektor short ground about thanks to its unpredictable reputation. The Mach is perhaps one of the most researched and collected muscle cars today. Red 1999 was one of the best years in American automotive history. This was the time that cars became more than just a means of travel. The automobile became a status symbol, a personal statement, and part of the driver identity. During the early become iconic period. The notorious craze of automation become master car. The aggressive auto design and monster engine of these cars become synonymous with rebellion, individual and generosity. One such car is the legendary Mustang Mach, one originally released by the American manufacturer Ford in 1999. Its rich exterior design, powerful Cobra Jet engine, and iconic quad-like engine made the car an instant classic from the moment of production. Even in a lineup of the greatest cars produced in the new year, the car still stands out and holds its own shameless thanks to its unspectacular reputation. The Mach is perhaps one of the most researched and collected cars around. Here are some companion and unique features of the 1999 Mach. Satu, that corrector short know before purchasing classic car. Secret warranty bread. Corrector know that one of most important aspects to check before purchasing a classic car is the warranty bread. These are usually placed near the driver's doors and can help determine the exact model, year, and factory specification of the machine. Thanks to the way these pictures were secured to the inside the driver door on the Mach, they often come on, and then this might merely the presence of one of these stickers should assure drivers that the car has been well taken care of, even if they were replaced through the manufacturer. Can tell corrector how many cure the previous owner had been with the upcover of this paid car. Ohio horsepower, and then this combined steering column, the steer away system, while the heavy tone of steering were innovation of the 60s. Not only did it provide many angles for the wheel to be adjusted, but the wheel automatically tilted away to allow the driver easily access to the seat. Additionally, the system was one of the first in this time to offer a 7-way adjustable wheel positioning option. This meant that Ford had the comfort of the driver in mind when working on every single detail of the vehicle. Intelligent in diagnosis system. This system also carried a components panel who considered highly advanced for its time. When there was an issue with the car, this alert system would import the driver with the appropriate light and system. Thank you.